Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check and show you about abandoned cars, trucks, petroleum trucks, monster trucks, etc. So now let's check with me. I will start checking everybody. So I take the first one. The first one is a hero Captain America. This one is a mini hero Captain America. Hero Spider-Man. This is a mini Spider-Man. A bigger Captain America. A bigger Captain America. Mini airplane. This one is a cute airplane. A head of train. How about this one, everybody? This is a petroleum truck. Petroleum truck. How about this one? This is a broken dump truck. A broken dump truck. A broken ladder truck. Police car. Police car, red color. This one is a cute police car. How about this one? A cute bus. This is a cute bus. A cute bus. Monster truck. This is a monster truck. Monster truck. A broken truck. Another monster truck, everybody. This is a cute monster truck. A broken army car. A broken army car. How about this one, everybody? This is a broken helicopter. A broken helicopter. This one is a cute helicopter. Mini police car. Everyone, thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.